Plumbing fitting. Number 1, PVC pipes. Number 2, coupler. Number 3, elbow 90 degree. 4, elbow 45. Number 5, reducing elbow. Number 6, equal T. Number 7, reducing T. Number 8, cross T. Number 9, reducer. Number 10, bushing reducer. Number 11, reducing bush. Number 12, union. Number 13, end cap, plain. Number 14, end plug, threaded. Number 15, male adapter plastic threaded, MAPT. Number 16, female adapter plastic threaded, FAPT. Number 17, female threaded elbow brass insert. Number 18, male threaded elbow brass insert. Number 19, male adapter brass threaded MABT. Number 20, female adapter brass threaded FABT. 21, inline ball valve. 22, push fit ball valve. 23, single union ball valve. Number 24, tank adapter. 25, Y strainer. Number 26, flange. 27, blind flange. 28, neck face flange. Number 29, concealed valve. 30, concealed valve with hand wheel. 31, circuit testing plug. 32, circuit testing plug and type. Number 33, elbow holder. 34, pipe clip. Number 35, pipe clip and type. 36, pipe clip C type. Number 37, hex nipple. 38, hole repairing coupler. Number 39, bend 90 degree. Number 14, bypass bend. Last one, 41, stop over bend. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.